Here is a General Electric microwave here. Let's use this one here. It's opened up. See, the plate support is broken on it for whatever reason. Light bulb still works in it. Does need to be cleaned up a little bit. See his model here. This is model JES1451DS1BB, manufactured May of 2013. So this thing is about 12 years old now. See his controls here. Basic controls for microwave. As you can see here. Anyway, let's go ahead and test it. Anyways, that's pretty much about it for this General Electric microwave.